Happy Mail Queen. Happy President's Day to everybody. And I did go to Michael's today, so this is a Michael's haul. My husband was going in that direction where there's a different Michael's, and he asked me if I wanted to go, and I said, of course. And so my dog and I went, and I browsed around for a while he was running his errand. So let me just share with you guys what I was able to find. So, I did want to get some storage things, and I saw the ad for these plastic jar set. This is $5. It comes in a 6-pack, you guys. So I thought, oh, that's really great. And what I love about these are, I love mason jars, you guys. I do. I have a lot of them around the house. I use some in the kitchen, some in my craft room. What I love about this is the size and the fact that they are plastic. So if you wanted to send a mason jar to your friend, you know, put some goodies in here. And especially if you're shipping it, it's not very heavy. So that's what I liked about it. They also come in the taller mason jar size, and those are also $5, but I think you only get 3. So I decided to get this one because this one has more jars in it, and it was $5. And then I also took advantage of the 20% coupon, so I did get it for less than $5. So that's the only reason why I decided to get it today. So I got that. They also had these bead organizer, you know, with the compartments on it, and these were $3, and with the 20% coupon, I don't know if you guys can see that. I think you can see it on the other one. With the 20% coupon, it came out to $2.40. So I did this. They're Darice, and they're great for your beads, for charms, any embellishments, you know, small embellishments. They are all the same size compartments. So just to let you know, I think they measure about 1 3/8 maybe? No. It's almost like 1 3/4 by a little bit over 2 inches. So, you know, that's just the measurements so that you know what you can put in there. I decided to get 3. I don't know if I really need 3, but they were $2.40. So I went ahead and grabbed them. Oh, here you can see this a little better, the compartments. That's how big they are. And pretty good, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this one's I was wondering why it was 17 compartments. Oh, I see. This one is a little bit longer here. One compartment is bigger. So, yeah, thought that would be great to have. Since I've outgrown my bead case. Anyway, this was on clearance, Project Life by Becky Higgins, and I like to use these in my TNs. So these are 6 by 8, and as you can see there, that's the pockets. You get 3 pockets in one page, and there's 12 of them. So I thought I would go ahead and pick these up because I think I used up my other ones. Yeah, so these were $2. So I thought that was a good deal. I went in the clearance section, and they just had a bunch of stuff. It was kind of hard to dig through all that, but these caught my eye, and I went ahead and got them. These are, they're like little, let's see, stamp sets. I suppose they would be great for your planners because they're really tiny. Not that I do planners, but I couldn't help it. They're just so cute. And you get all these. I'm sure you guys have seen this. I kind of like it because it has, you know, haircut, tea time, holiday, Yeah, I would think shopping, so it's nice for planners. And you get that many, so just to kind of give you an idea, look how cute. And I love rubber stamps, you guys. So these are really great to have. I might as well just show them to you guys because I think they're so cute. Telephone, look at that. So if you needed to call somebody, for you students, study, shopping, don't forget. It's just really cute. I like it. Oops. Dinner. So if you were having dinner with somebody, meeting somebody for coffee or tea, look how cute. And then this one here I really liked because, just show you guys, because it has like birthdays, movies. So that was the one that I really liked. Weather, you know, that would be a weather one and a holiday one. Music. Look at that. If you were seeing a concert or something like that. Here's a birthday one. Here's another, what do you call it? Weather one. So if you see, if you want to see a movie, you can, you know, put that on your planner. This one's really cute too. Love. Special. Party. If you had a party to go to. Travel. I just thought they were super cute, and they came in these cute little plastic jars, and I just thought they were adorable. And these are only $2 each, you guys. $2. That's why I got them. I think they're just so cute to play with. This one here was also $2, and I like this one. It says errands, appointments, free time, school, and sports. And this is Studio G. They had other ones, but this is the only one that I thought I liked. So that's just great to put on calendars, you guys. So how cute is that? Now the reason I really went there was because I had a 60% coupon and I wanted to utilize it. Okay, I wanted to use it for a big item. And so I decided to go ahead and get the We Are Memory Keeper planner punch board. Now, I don't know if I don't really do planners, but I wanted to use it for, I saw Bona do, like, make a traveler's notebook with, you know, using this planner punch, as well as she even made like a little mini. And I like making mini albums, you guys. If you guys know me from the past, I used to make a lot of mini albums. That was my thing. So I wanted to get it, and I got it for such a great deal, you guys. This was originally $24.99 with 60% off, you guys. I got this for $10. Like, oh my gosh, I was ecstatic. I just love, you know, I just love when I get like a really great bargain like that. And I did buy the disc, so the Happy Planner disc. This wasn't on sale, but this was $4, I think. And this is the medium size disc. And then I guess I needed this, and I didn't realize it, and I didn't get it, but I ended up going to a different Michael's because I called them and they had it. And, you know, I'm working tomorrow. I can't use my 60% coupon, so I went again. I used my 60% coupon and I got this for $4.31, I think. So yeah, these two, I mean, instead of paying about $30, $35, I ended up only paying less than $15, like $14 and some cents. Let's just say about $15. So that is such a great deal. So I could not pass that up. So yes, I can't wait to play with it. I'm so excited. I want to make like a little mini album. And then this smells so good. Last time I was about to pick them up and I didn't, and oh my gosh, it's like basil and lavender. And I didn't always like lavender, but over the years, I don't know, I've just I love it. I love the smell of it now, especially this combination. So this was, I think, oh yeah, $4.99, but with 20% off. So, yeah, so that's all. I didn't go crazy, but I did get some great deals, so couldn't help it. I had to take advantage. And I was there, too, to check out Easter stuff. I could have sworn that yesterday when I was looking at their ad that I thought the Easter stuff was 40% off, but I don't know. Maybe I got mixed up with Hobby Lobby. But I really thought Michael's had their Easter stuff on sale now, but I don't know. Maybe it's this week. So anyway, that's all. That's my small haul for today. And one more thing, I forgot to share this one. I did get this on clearance. This is a planner accessory, and it's by Recollections. $1.49, you guys. It was $3 or $2.99, and you get how many pieces? You get several pieces here, but the sticker's covering it up. Let's see. You get 10 pieces. 10 pieces, and they are little wine glasses and bows. Look how cute those pink bows are. Oh my gosh. I would have grabbed another one if I had seen another one, but this was the only one I saw, and I thought it was so cute. So I went and picked that up also. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.